Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to share these cute little embellishment trays. I got these from Jackie's Craft Table. I saw her post them on her Instagram account and I'm like, ooh, those are so cute. I have to have one. She's at jackiescrafttable.com. She's on my design team as well, so you probably know her channel. She's on YouTube, Jackie's Craft Table, and her Instagram, and that's her website there. So I picked these up. She did send me a few extras. Thank you, Jackie. So I'm hoping I could send some customers on over. Tell her that I sent you. If you do, head on over there. You cannot have too many of these trays, I think. I have this one here from Trinity Stamps, and sometimes I like to put my die cuts in there, but this one's kind of thin, so I wanted something a little bit wider to put my images in. And they're so beautiful to put your sequins in while you're working. I think they look so pretty on your desk. So she's got several different designs, and I believe she said she makes these herself. So she must have a 3D printer. And they're super cute. The little ghost. Your sequins, you just pour your sequins mix in there. That way you can grab them and sort through them a little bit better and pick out the bits that you want to use. And then they got the points here. And this one has a little a spigot. So these two have little points I guess you can use to help guide your sequins back in. But I really like this one. Because it has that little spigot. See, now you can just rummage through your sequence mixes, and it looks so pretty. Pretty and sparkly. And these are the beautiful gems from Trinity Stamps, and I got this pack from the Crate and Inkspire kit. Courtney Krieber's website. Yeah, so that little spigot's just going to help me put the gems back in. But super, super cute I thought these were. And I just love having these on my desk. And I can put my little images in there. I'll probably use the bigger one to put my images in. But yeah, I thought I'd share that. And she also has this glue, which comes in this handy little glue bottle here. And this is good for paper, cardstock, and embellishments. It's got all her information on there. And it's got a nice little tip. So thank you, Jackie. Really love your items. And I'll have her link in the description box for you guys if you want to head on over. Let her know that Jamie from Not Too Shabby sent ya. And I will talk to you guys real soon, guys. And you guys, tonight is the new Honeybee stamp release at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So I'll have some items listed as pre-order, so you can grab those. I will have a free gift. The free gift listing will pop into your cart, but I will be adding to your cart for the free gift either the new little blender brush or the gems, depending on if you purchase one or the other. So if you purchase the blender brush, then I'll add the gems to your order, and vice versa. As long as they ship those out to me and nothing gets back ordered, that will be the free gift. I do have limited quantities, so shop early for the best selection on that. I will see you guys then. So thanks, guys. Talk to you later, and take care.